Okay, I'm removing the fuel filter on a 92 Honda Accord, and it's the same for a 90 through 93 model. And here's the filter right here. I got it at AutoZone. And first thing you need to do is remove this right here. Remove this hose right here and this hose right here. That gives you some space to work on it down here. Then after that, you go over here to this black box right here. Disconnect these two connections right here. Then there's two 10mm bolts, one right here and one right here. And you don't have to take them all the way off, just loosen them, and you can remove this box out of the way. Just be careful because these are sensitive. And move them out of the way so you can have more room to get to the fuel filter, which is right down here. Okay, here's the fuel filter right here, and it comes with some new set of washers right here. You'll need these when you put the new fuel filter on it. Okay, you also don't need to remove the negative or the positive battery cable on this one. Okay, here's some things you need to watch on some of these old cars, like this crack right here in the hose, and there's another one right here. Let us be on the lookout for things like that could be causing a problem. Okay, next pull these clips off right here. You can just pull them off at the bottom right here, and should slide right out down to the bottom right here. Okay, these are fragile. This car is 30 years old, so just move them out of the way. Now remove just loosen this 10mm bolt over here and that one right there, and move this out of the way. Okay, here's the first one. And just be careful with the lines when you're doing this second one right here. You probably have to put the camera down in order to do it. Just be careful not to puncture or tear into the lines right here. These fuel lines, air lines, when you're doing this. Okay, you got two hoses at the bottom of this black box right here. Okay, one of them goes on this side right here and goes into this. Okay, you don't need to fool with that one. The other one, it goes down into that black canister down there. You just pull that one off. Be careful with it. You can just pull it off right here, and just move it out of the way. Okay, you probably can't see that, but it's attached to that black canister right there. Just be careful when you pull that one off. Okay, now to move this out of the way right here. Okay, I got room to work, so I got to pull this off right here, and then this right here. Okay, it's got a tube running right in front of this little thing right here. You can pull that hose out after you loosen these off, these two right here. That way you can loosen these two bolts right here and pull the whole thing come out. Okay, this one takes a 14mm right here, you can see that, and this one I think takes a 17mm, so you loosen both of those. Okay, this is a 17. I broke this one. This is a 14, and I broke this one, so I just need to pull it out right here. I loosen these two. I think these are 10mm, and just pull this hose out right here in front, and this whole thing will come out. Okay, both of those are loose right there. I'm going to try to pull it out next. Okay, this has a washer. Just be sure to keep up with that right there. And it's got one at the bottom also, so just make sure to keep up with both of them. But I'm going to put the new ones on with the new washers on when I put this back together. So I'll just put it to the side like that for right now. So, okay, there's the other washer. Go ahead and pull that one off. Right there. I just put them both together right here. Okay, this next hose right here, you just go ahead and pull it out right here. Just be careful not to break it. Actually, I need to go ahead and I might need to loosen those two bolts and go ahead and slide it down so I can have more room to work. But just be careful when you pull it off. Okay, I got this second bolt coming, and as soon as I get it loose, this whole thing will drop. Okay, I'll put both of these bolts up here so I know where they came from. Okay, it slid out just like that right there. And I got the new filter over here. All you do is pull in the new filter. This has got gas in it, so I try to drain the gas out of it. Okay. Okay, it's got a bolt on this side right here. You take that bolt out, and it's like a bracket right here. And this old one will slide right out, and let's slide the new one in. Okay, here's the bolt. It's on the side right here. Goes in through the back right there. Okay, I got a 10 millimeter. Okay. Trying to hold the camera and do this with one hand. But I done loosened it right here. And it will come right out. Okay. Okay. I got the bolt out on this side right here. Just like that. And the filter lifts out just like that. Okay, and you just get the new filter and just put it right in here just like that. Same way the old one came out. Okay, here's the new filter with the old one. I'm just matching them up to make sure that they are the same. And they do match up. The only difference is this one's got like a rubber type of washer right here on the front right here. But it also has like a arrow pointing in and out. So this slides, it's got little grooves in it right here. Like right here. Exactly where the grooves are on this new filter that it slides into right here. It locks it in, is what it does. So I'll go ahead and put in the new bolt. Here's the washers that's going to go with the new one. I got two, got three. It comes with 3 washers. So I just have to match up which one goes with which. Okay, I've got it in. I've already tightened these 2 bolts down. Now I'm putting this in right now. Go ahead and tighten that down right there. That's a 14 millimeter. Okay, I'm putting everything back together. I'm putting this left side on, the fuel filter. Make sure you put the washer on first. Then come back and put the washer on top So you got one at the bottom and one at the top, just like that. Okay, I got everything put on the, both lines put on the fuel filter. So after that, you just go ahead and put everything back together, just like it was before, and then that'll be it. Okay, I checked on it, I get everything back together. You see back there in the back, no leak.